This video shows how to buy shares of Teradata Corp, a company specializing in enterprise data analytics and cloud software. Teradata trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TDC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TDC to find Teradata Corp. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing from the search results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the last sessions. Confirm the listing reads Teradata Corp and shows NASDAQ before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio on eToro. Find the link to the platform in the video description if you want to visit the broker.